He's so loving. Like, he wants to be near you constantly. Like, he cannot get close enough to you. Hi, I'm Emma, and this is my dog, Petrified Pete. Whenever he gets excited, he freezes and falls over. Peter's condition, we don't know at the minute. His vet has mentioned cataplexy, narcolepsy. It's been mentioned it could be neurological, the fainting goat syndrome. There's been lots of things mentioned, but until we sort of do some tests and he sees a specialist, we don't know. The vets are pretty confident that he's not in any pain. He could quite easily live his life with this condition and not suffer. He could have a full healthy life, but we don't know until he's diagnosed. So when we go to the park, he's usually absolutely fine. There's certain points, there seems to be like certain points of the park, certain like textures on the ground that set him off more than others. Like for example, if he's crossing from like grass to gravel, you can see he sort of goes low to the ground and he tries to steady himself. Other things like ducks, just the excitement is just far too much. And just, especially when he's chasing birds, like just being that close to catching them is just so much for him, he just flops over. Oh, he loves everyone, even the cat. He wants to be so close to the cat constantly. The cat's not impressed. As far as we know, and he is otherwise healthy, Peter's vet has no concerns that he's like in any danger, this is life-threatening or anything like that. They're happy for him to just carry on living his normal life. There's nothing to suggest that this is going to do him any damage, but obviously until he's diagnosed we don't know for definite. But otherwise he's a completely perfect dog. When he does fall over, it doesn't seem to bother him, like the tail's still wagging and he's still living his life. He just flops back over, gets back up and carries on running around like nothing ever happened. Like, you wouldn't know, he just carries on. Some people like are horrified that this is happening. And I think I understand a lot of people think that he's maybe having a seizure, like he's in like imminent danger. A lot of people just laugh. Like I think because we do too, we're so used to it now, it is slightly comical. So when they see us react, I think they know it's okay. We do have to explain it quite a lot. But once you do, everyone just wants to love him.